Arkeo, 2216 here, and we've got an unboxing video. Saints Row, the third special edition. I know this for a fact. It's what I ordered. So package. You don't need to know all my full address and details. I don't need fucking dots by you cunts. What the fuck? Now I didn't order this. Yeah, it's not what I ordered. Ah, okay. So someone sent me some random telephones. Yeah, not what I ordered. What the fuck is this? Yeah. So my fucking sister can send me a phone things, but she can't send me my fucking what's it called? My controllers. Yeah. Yeah. It's and she put bitch. She put Mr. fucking bitch. BT437JW. That's the postcode it was from. My fucking sister. Great. There you have it. My sister. Sent me a fucking house phone. Brilliant. Kind of fucking ass. It's not now. Probably do it. Do it later. Maybe talk to the people you want to. Well, I don't want to talk to any fucking cunts at the moment. And all that. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, basically, you can now call me on a fucking long line. Great. I'll give you my number later on. If I ever fucking know the fucking number. Yeah. New phone fucking number. I don't know my number. Yeah. I've now got a landline. Yeah. Go fuck yourselves, you cunts. Sure.